All right, y'all, what it do? Your boy is back on the grind one more time. Your boy is back at it again. It's Monday. Hopefully you guys are having a great start to your week. Motivation Monday, y'all. Get out, get something done, do positive for somebody or yourself. Man, just love and enjoy life. But I just wanted to chime in with this video, you guys. I have a lot of footage, and I'm sure it's like scattered all over the place because I was trying to hide some footage for a particular reason I'll share with you in a moment. I was also filming, my Buick, and then I totally forgot that I was doing a Chevelle thorough walk around. So I did part 1 on the exterior and all that stuff, and so now I still have to do part 2 and 3, which would be the interior and the engine and drivetrain. So you guys stay tuned for that. As I was going through my YouTube videos, I saw that I started the Chevelle overview and then I just never went back to it just because so much has been going on, you guys. So as you guys already know, I got the Buick Regal, the Turbo Regal, so that is good. So I did a walk around, full walk around, in-depth video on that, so stay tuned for that, okay? Also, obviously I have the Chevelle. I still owe you guys those 2 videos, so again, stay tuned for that. Hopefully I can get those done before I actually have to take it to the shop. So I actually discovered a leak in it, and if I can find a video of it, I'll insert it here. But there's a water leak in the trunk. So there's a piece that connects the rear bottom window, to the trunk lid. It's called, I think it's called rear window to trunk piece. So anyways, that has to be welded in, and I think it also has to be like seam sealed and all that too. Well, the bottom portion of the window in the passenger side, like in the corner, it's leaking water pretty good actually. So my buddy felt really bad, and he was like, dang man, I should have did a leak test on it first. So I have to take it to him to get it fixed. So during that time, while he's doing that, I gotta shuffle some other cars around and things like that. Man, this is getting crazy now. So it's good though, because the YouTube channel, my social media and everything, it's all picking up. I'm very blessed. I'm very privileged to be able to do this and to share this with you. And it's something that I love to do other than fitness. So anyways, I got my first sponsorship coming as well. Brand new radiator electric fans are coming this Thursday, I believe, this Thursday. So they should be here this Thursday. Then I'm gonna have to do the unboxing and everything and the install on that on my box Chevy. Then I would like to get the box Chevy down to storage. This is about the time of year where I start to put my cars in storage and kind of get them ready for the winter projects, things like that. But it's been kind of like abnormally warm here in the state of Washington. I mean, it's still like mid 70s to upper 70s, even almost 80. These last couple weeks has been crazy. With the Chevelle, when I take it down to get fixed by my buddy, I'm gonna take it down on a Thursday, I'm gonna pick it up on a Sunday, and then I'm going to take it right to my storage unit. Once I do that, then I have to take the computer out the Chevelle and send it to Holly, because if you guys remember several videos ago, I was thinking that I might have burnt the output signals or whatever that's inside the computer that control the electric fans. I think I might have burnt those up. So hopefully that's something they can fix. If not, for now I'm manually kind of controlling the fans right now. But worst case, I would just run it as is. I would actually like to do the Terminator setup on it at some point, just because it's kind of annoying, because with this computer, I can't run the little 3.5-inch screen. I can't control that or run that with this computer and also run everything through my Dakota Digital dash. So, because the Dakota Digital dash also shows all the like oil pressure, all that kind of stuff through the dash, but I have to program it correctly through the Holly, and it won't allow the Holly to also run the little 3.5-inch screen. So it's kind of annoying, because I can't, look at real-time things while I'm driving the car on the actual little mini screen. So anyways, we'll kind of just see kind of how all that goes. I don't know, man. It's a lot of money when you acquire a lot more cars. So anyway, so I got that going down, and if you guys saw my community post, let me go get my hand comfortable real quick. My hand and my arm, since I'm holding this camera up, my hands and arms starting to get tired. So anyways, you guys, if you saw my community post, you will have seen that I posted that we got a new vehicle, and it's actually for my wife. Now, this was not planned, and I don't want to go into total in-depth on this just yet, just because I want to make this a totally separate video, and I filmed every step along the way for the most part. So anyways, y'all, I did get her a vehicle, and it is different than what I have right now. And I will say, I'll give you a hint, it is a truck. If you follow me on social media, Mr. Griffin 23, you will already know what it is. If you're not following me on Instagram, definitely go give me a follow, please, because I actually update my Instagram a lot more often and more quickly than I do on YouTube. Just because, you know, videos and things like that kind of take time to edit, and I'll do my best to kind of post things on my community page, but Instagram is kind of just where I do like most of my car stuff and some stuff with the gym. So definitely go follow me. All my social media is the same. Doesn't matter if it's Snapchat, like whatever. I don't do Snapchat that much or whatever, but I have a TikTok, kind of do that a little bit, but my TikTok is Mr. Griffin _23, but everything else is all one word, Mr. Griffin 23. So anyways, I got her a truck, and it's clean. I mean, it is clean. It's a good start, good foundation. It has some issues, it has some problems, but you know, what build doesn't really, you know? So unless you're paying some big dollars for high builds, but there's always something that, you know, when you get a car, you want to personalize it yourself. You want to do some things to it yourself. So, but it doesn't need much. It doesn't need much. So there's definitely some mechanical things that need to be done, some wiring, some suspension stuff. It needs a little bit of cleanup in the interior, but the interior is pretty much all done. I just have to finish kind of the dash and the wiring and things like that. Yeah, man, it'll be a good project for this winter. So with that being said, definitely be on the lookout for that. I don't really know what I'm gonna do yet because I have so much footage for that whole process, because I got the vehicle probably about 4 to 6 weeks ago, and I was hiding it at my buddy Derek's house, and I had to kind of sneak around to do this because luckily we have kind of like opposite schedules. If I'm working in the morning, she's home. If she's working, I'm home or whatever. So that was good because I was able to kind of work on it while she was here. But I also had to make sure like I was home when she got home, like things like that, because I didn't want her to, you know, kind of sense anything or just think anything weird. You know, why am I going all the time? Why am I doing this? Why am I sneaking around? So, and I will say, man, sneaking around, that takes some work. So man, I don't know how people do it. Like actually, like legit sneak around. I mean, it takes some work to do this, man. Because I was doing some long days. I was out like just doing some stuff that I'm just gonna go run errands. But I wouldn't tell her where I'm going. Like things like that. It's crazy. But we made it work. We made it happen, and we revealed it. And the unveiling was epic, you guys. It was so awesome, and she deserves this, y'all. She deserves this. She goes with me to these shows, never complains, and it's not even about complaining. She wants to go to these shows, you guys. Like she'll wake up with me early in the morning, never like complains, never fusses about it. And when she's there, she loves it. She loves looking at the cars. She says, "Oh, I would drive this, things like that." Like she is into it. Now, I mean, you guys have also seen her in my videos. She helps me like put on bumpers, do the brakes, like things like that. Whatever I needed help with, she will do. So, and she's doing it just because she wants to do it. It's not because she has to, because she wants to. And I've never been with somebody like that. And it's so awesome when you can share things that you both like, and you can do those together. So, and I will say that is something that I probably should be better at. Now, she doesn't like to do a whole lot of other things because like we kind of like similar things, so we just do things together. But you know, there's definitely some Well, I'll just say this. I can take note from that and try to be more like her in that regard. Not saying that I'm not, but I mean, I know we do a lot of car stuff, and that's kind of like what we do most of the summer. Like when she wants to go on trips, or she wants to hang out with her girlfriends or her friends that, you know, that I didn't know before I met her, I always try to make myself available for that, you know, knowing that she doesn't do a whole lot of stuff. She doesn't have a extreme hobby, you know, kind of like I have. So anyways, don't mean to ramble on it, but this is why I wanted to do this for her. It was just kind of like right place, right time. This was somebody else's project that I acquired, and luckily, like I said, I was in the right place at the right time. The price was right, and the price got even better in our favor. But we both agreed on a good price for this project, this truck, and I think it's gonna be epic. But what I'll do though is I'll insert a video of it, so at least you guys can kind of just see what it looks like. And then, you know, once I get everything uploaded and edited and everything, you'll be able to see the full unveiling and the whole process of the truck. So check this out. But yeah, anyways, you guys, that is pretty much it. I'm gonna go ahead and call this video. I don't mean to ramble, but I wanted to fill you guys on what was going on, because there is a lot. There is a lot going on, and it's good. It's good. It's helping the channel. The channel is growing. If you're new to the channel, man, thank you for subscribing. Guys, gals, what have you, man, I really do appreciate it. And stick along, because there is gonna be some heat on this channel. So with that being said, with all the cars, so I have the 78 Caprice. I actually drove it to work today. I don't know if you guys can see it, but it's down there. That is my daily right now, because my girl's daily is in the shop getting work done, so she's driving my SUV. So driving the Caprice drives great, and I'm actually enjoying driving it as my daily. So we got the 78 Caprice, LS swapped, supercharged, super sleeper, amazing car. Then we have my 1971 Chevelle. That is like the more extreme build, okay? Like everything is done on that car. Everything is touched, everything is new. That car is awesome, and I'm still doing work to that car, you guys. I still got some things to do, and we gonna boost it. We're gonna pro charge that thing. Newly acquired 1987 Buick Regal Turbo Limited, all right? So that car will be coming to the channel a little more often, but not as soon as you guys might think or hoped for, because I'm actually going to bump my wife's car up to the front. When I gave it to her, I told her that I was going to make this vehicle a priority, so that way it is ready for her next summer, and then we can all roll together, and she can roll her own vehicle. So this will be awesome. So I'm excited about it, because this is something new to the channel. I've had, you know, my Turbo Regals on there before. Obviously, I've had the box, and the Chevelle took a long time to build. It's been on the channel for the past 4 years. Although everybody likes to see those cars, I'm really excited about this, because this brings something totally different than what I'm used to the channel, and something totally different just for you guys as well too. So anyways, stick with me, man. This build is gonna be great. We already have some things in mind for it. We're not gonna go too crazy with it, nothing like the Chevelle or anything, just because she's not really like into all that. And the great thing is the truck is pretty much aesthetic wise, like the paint and the whole interior is pretty much done. Like I said, I just have to clean a lot of the stuff up. So it seems to be a good running engine. It has a 350 in it. The wiring, like I said, it doesn't seem to be that great. So I'm gonna have to go through like all the wiring, the entire wiring in the car. I'm gonna have to go through all that. But, and we're gonna get the suspension dialed in. So, but anyways, I don't wanna ramble about that all. You guys will know and find out more once we get those videos out. But man, I'm really excited about this build. This is gonna be awesome. I'm like, damn, man, she's gonna be rolling harder than me out here in these streets, man. I mean, the thing has candy paint on it, full custom peanut butter interior, a sound system that is out of this world. It is crazy. And for it to be like fully like open, like a full vert, like it is loud. Like I turned it up yesterday pretty loud and it gets pretty dang loud. But anyways, you guys, I'm gonna go ahead and get out of here. I'm gonna upload this video hopefully today, which is the 10th, and I gotta call my mom first. So I gotta call my mom, it's her birthday. So if you leave a comment, y'all, say happy birthday to my mom. I know she would really appreciate that. But anyways, you guys stay tuned, and you guys know what to do. Like, comment, subscribe, share, do all that good stuff, y'all. Mr. Griffith 23 in the building. I'm about to be out of here. Y'all stay tuned. Some heat coming to the channel, all right? Deuces, peace out.